This is why you need to know about natural remedies for ovarian cysts. Let's dive in. Ovarian cysts are surprisingly common and can be a real pain, literally. But don't worry, there are natural remedies that might help. First up, warm compresses. Applying heat to your lower abdomen can soothe pain and improve blood flow. Next, consider adding more ginger to your diet. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce cyst-related discomfort. Another tip, drink chamomile tea. It's calming and can help ease menstrual cramps too. Don't forget about apple cider vinegar. Some believe it can help shrink cysts thanks to its potassium content. And lastly, staying hydrated and eating a balanced diet keeps your body in check. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, medical treatments. Always chat with your healthcare provider first. Stay healthy and take care.